Hi students, I just wanted to show you today how you can correct your writing. So I've got one here. It says, I was born in Halifax, Nova Scotia. So you can see that the green means that Julie made a comment here. And so I can click on it too, right here. And I can see that over on the right-hand side, there's a check mark and an X, and it says replace Telefax with Halifax. So I can just click on this check mark because it's green, and I can accept the suggestion. See, and it disappeared. Here's another one. I was born in Halifax, Nova Scotia on the east coast of Canada. So I can click on that. Oops. And the comment will get bigger. So I'm just going to left click on it, and it says replace Alberta with Canada. So I click the check mark. When I was 3 years old, we moved to Whitehorse, Yukon. My parents wanted more adventure. So this yellow one here, I'm going to click on it and see what comes up here. Click. And the comment says use a small letter. Oh, I see, for adventure. So I'm going to click on the check mark. Oh, but nothing changed. So when it's yellow, I have to actually change it myself. So I'm going to highlight the letter A, and I'm going to change it like that. Oops, sorry, I'll just get rid of this. So I had to just change that by going like that, adventure. So now I see that there's a blue squiggly line. So whenever you see a squiggly line, if it's blue or if it's red, just click on it and the computer gives you a suggestion. So it says, oh, I might want to have after with a capital letter. I'll click on it, or if I don't like it, I can just X. But I'll click on it. After a few years, they decided to move to Edmonton because there was a hospital pumpkin. What? There was a? Let me click on that. And they say there were, and I say, no, I don't like that. I'm going to keep it the way it was, so I'll ignore it. Because there was, and I'm just going to read it. After a few years, they decided to move to Edmonton because there was a hospital. Oops, a hospital pumpkin rose. That doesn't make sense. And I'm just going to cross that. I'm going to delete that one right now. So I am just going to delete it by clicking on the backspace button. There was a hospital that could treat my sister with autism. So now I want to take this whole thing and I can copy it by clicking down on my left finger with my left finger and dragging it with my right, and then I press Control C.